Hello and welcome to another update video about Coinbase. So Coinbase has reacted to the support area and it's actually done something really good in my opinion. Because we now have a lower low here that formed on Wednesday, a lower low compared to the previous low that formed end of January. And this is good because this means we have a clear low in place, and I'd be happy from here for a new uptrend to start. The problem is that this is too small at this stage to confirm the beginning of a new uptrend. However, it's a small micro 5-wave move. Oops, 1 second. It is a small micro 5-wave move to the upside. I might call that a leading diagonal. It still needs to prove itself. It is a possible 5-wave move up, which I've labeled wave 1. But it is too small to be really clearly reliable. Obviously, the invalidation point is the beginning of the rally that happened from yesterday's lows around $263. The subsequent pullback should form a higher low in wave 2, and then we can form these 5 waves. But until we really get this set of 5 waves on the larger degree, which might end around the $305, $306 area, these previous swing highs from end of January, it is going to be a challenge to really confirm that this is the beginning of Circle 3 and that indeed Circle Wave 2 bottomed yesterday. But we also see a possible 5-wave move up on the Bitcoin chart, another attempt. But if you follow my Bitcoin videos, then you know that we're currently in a sideways range and that I've mentioned it is, in these corrective structures, in these ranges at the moment, there have been multiple attempts to break out higher. The market has failed. So support is still holding though. So nothing is invalidated, but the micro attempts to break out higher have failed. But also follow through to the downside has failed. But it is an area from where a low could form and the rally could start. And the support area is still between $253 and $270. So as long as this area is holding and we don't break below $253, I'm considering that a larger B wave bottomed on the 13th of January, that this is a 1-2 setup, and we're just waiting for a clear signal that the move up is starting. Here, with this 5-wave move up, this is an early confirmation stage. Too early to really confirm we're going higher. Next step would be a break above the last high at 285.50. But as I said, we really need that clear 5-wave move to the upside. That would be much better. And then, okay, how could that unfold? And then also, what would be a bearish alternative? I'll talk to you about that in a second. But quick reminder, I've uploaded a few days ago a long-term video about Coinbase showing you the larger time frame and everything. Here to the main channel, MCO Global. If you don't know it yet, it's our main channel. There's additional content. It is the video from 3 days ago. I'll link the channel in the description, and I'll also, you should see somewhere on the screen now a link to the specific Coinbase video. So you might want to check it for the larger context. I mean, context is always everything. Very, very important, yeah. So let's talk about how this could unfold. Let's first add a micro support area here to this internal wave 2. And just another word about that video. I mean, it is complementing basically here this short-term view, so it might prove to be really helpful. So wave 2 support, if there is a pullback from here, it needs to hold $266.78. So you might ask, oh, but didn't you just say 253? Yeah, I'm talking now about just this localized 1-2 setup that started from yesterday's low. And any pullback should hold above 266.78, and then we should see these 5 waves. Once we have the wave 2 in place, we can map out the journey for waves 3, 4, and 5. But I need a low in wave 2 to calculate the target for waves 3, 4, 5. But I'd say it should end somewhere close to the end of the January lows. Close to the top of the end of January lows. And in terms of bearish alternative, I mean, I'm leaving the lower support area on the chart, in case you're wondering why. The price did react to it nicely already in January, but I'll keep it on the chart, this larger support box, which goes down to 175, because we haven't really broken out to the upside yet. And in case we break below 253, it might indicate this B wave is resetting, and then it might open the trapdoor all the way down to $200. But that would still be in a bullish scenario, okay, from what I can see right now. But I would, of course, prefer that we're holding 253, maybe even this week's low, and now rally in 5 waves to the January lows, so to the end of January high, to confirm further that indeed a low has been struck. And the overall bullish outlook at the moment for Coinbase remains intact. The nearest invalidation level is the Wednesday low. That's the update about Coinbase. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.